Good evening, YouTubers. I've picked out some seeds. Everybody's doing 5 seeds that they're waiting to grow this year and they're all excited about. Well, I've got at least 5. I'm not exactly sure how many. The first one I'm really excited about, I've had a college professor actually beg me for 2 of these seeds. And that's the Cherokee Tan pumpkin seed, especially whenever she found out that they were just 1 generation removed from the reservation, because she knows exactly how hard they are to come by. You can't get them anywhere, and she knows it. She wanted them, and she's like, just 2 seed, just 2 seed. All I want is 2 seeds. All right, I'll give you 2 seeds, but that's it. And the other ones, I actually got from Josh at the City-Stead. I have Beet Verkugel, a German variety of heirloom beet. It's a red striped beet. That one. I'm anxious to try that. Usually in the South we all grow the Detroit Red. And he also sent the green sausage tomato. I love green tomatoes. And yes, it looks like a sausage. And I know these words are backwards, but we're going for pictures because I can read you the words. He also sent Taylor beans. Taylor beans are actually sold in my local seed supply store, but I've never tried them before. And I figured, what the heck, I'll try them. If they're anything like my favorite, the white half runner, or as some people call them, the state half runner, then we've got a winner. And I'm really looking forward, and I hope they turn out just as well, because I love those green beans. Josh also sent a cassava melon. I love cassavas. I've never grown them. I've grown honeydews, I've grown muskmelons. I don't care for cantaloupes, but I've grown them for other people. But I'm really looking forward to this cassava to go with my Carolina Cross and my Charleston Gray watermelon. And then the next seed that came from Josh that I'm really looking forward to is purple Italian artichoke. No picture on the front. I'm just assuming it's a purple artichoke, and if it tastes anything like a regular artichoke, I am going to be tickled pink, because I like artichokes. And he sent also Mexican sour gherkin, the cucamelon. Little bitty teeny tiny pack for little bitty teeny tiny seeds. And I hope that the fruit is actually bigger than that, but if not, I'm not worried about it, because if it's as prolific and as good as what I think it's going to be, they're going to be amazing made into pickles. Because I'm looking forward to some watermelon rind pickles this year, some cucumber pickles this year, pickled beets, pickled okra, little teeny tiny yellow squash picked when they're only about as big as your thumb, are amazing pickled. Excuse me. I'll posted the video. Excuse me. I am terribly sorry. But I posted the video yesterday where I was working on my tiller, and I'm very sore and it's beat the devil out of me. And on top of that, it's kind of drizzly and wet outside today, and I've let animals loose to free range, and as a matter of fact, I need to go outside and check for an owl, see if I need to scare one off, because I heard one hooting in the distance a little while ago. I've got owls that they've never given me a problem, and then I've got hawks, which I occasionally have a problem with a hawk. I actually hit one in the head with a bucket full of corn. He landed right beside me to grab a chicken, and I hit him in the head with a bucket of corn. It's one of those things that will only happen once in your life. And before I could go grab my shotgun, and I know it's illegal to kill him, but I was gonna scare him to death. I wasn't gonna shoot him. I was gonna shoot him at him close enough that he died of a heart attack. So natural causes. Technicality in the law. Illegal to kill them, but not illegal to scare them to death. Anyway, once in a lifetime occurrence. I don't think a hawk will ever land so close to me that I can hit it in the head with a bucket ever again. But I digress. These are the seeds that I am looking forward to so much this year. And remember, guys, whenever it comes to your power tools, set the ground rules, make them clear, bring it back the exact way they took it, because his adjustments to my tool really hurt me. And I don't like taking my pain medication as it is. And yesterday I was taking my pain medication as I was using my machinery, and it still was not helping. And all I did was barely get 2 inches of ground tilled. But at least going back through it, I'll be able to do something better. And I've gotten my tools out now so that I can readjust my depth gauge on it and get it set to where I had it. I had it set for a certain reason, and that's because it was easier for me to work. It wasn't for other people, it was for me. I knew I'd have to make 5 or 6 passes over the same spot to get the same results as someone else that could make 2 or 3 passes, you know. So I set it to my body, not theirs. And he should have been respectful enough to put it back where it was. But anyway, that's another story. But these are the plants and seeds that I'm looking forward to growing this year. And there's one other one that I haven't grown in several years, and that's the Cherokee purple tomato. I love those, and I'll be growing those again this year. So I am just really excited. I'm already getting seeds started. I've got my potatoes planted tomorrow. I'm planting English peas. Just a lot of things are going on. It's starting to get that time of year again, and I'm getting really excited. It's kind of like having buck fever in spring, except for plants. And any of you guys that are hunters, you know what buck fever is. And in the fall, whenever it hits, all you can think about is getting in that tree stand. And right now, all I can think about is getting in that dirt. But anyway, guys, this is Morgan with Agape Farms. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. Please hit that like button. It really helps everyone when you hit the like button. It promotes our videos so much faster in the analytics of YouTube. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the notification button so you know when I post a new video. And as always, I love you. God loves you. And until next time, take care of yourselves and be good to one another. Thanks for tuning in. Good night.